Have you ever wished for a simple way to turn your favorite edits into dynamic GIFs? With a GIF Delivery Plugin, you can do just that directly from Adobe Lightroom Classic in just a few clicks. Here's how. 1. Select your photos. Start by selecting the photos in Lightroom Classic that you'd like to include in your GIF. 2. Access the plugin. Navigate to File. Plugin Extras. Create GIFs. Ensure the GIF Delivery Plugin is installed beforehand. The download link is provided in the description. 3. Customize your GIF. A pop-up window will appear, presenting a variety of customization options. For a quick and straightforward experience, simply click Create GIF. 4. Preview and save. In moments, a second pop-up will appear, allowing you to open your GIF in a browser. From there, you can download, share, or integrate it into your projects with ease. The GIF Delivery Plugin streamlines the entire process, letting you focus on creativity without the hassle of exporting files and using external tools. Download the plugin today and start creating stunning GIFs effortlessly.